This is Damon Stevens with FinWealth Builders. Today is Sunday, April 3rd, 2022, and the stock market prep for Monday and this week coming up. So what can we expect? We closed out Friday, looking pretty good, and let's get right into it and take a look at what we can prep for this week. So again, just remember we're not financial advisors, that these trades are our own, and these are just what we're looking at. So hopefully this information is helpful for you in your trades, and also take advantage of our free Discord where we post trades every day and for free. And we also have a free training out there as well. We also have a membership site. If you want to learn more, go to finwealthlive.com and you can check it out. Let's get right into these charts. Looking Friday had a nice little pump right at the end of the day. So the bulls definitely came back in after a little bit of a pullback here off this nice run to kind of pull in and to close up bullish on Friday. So does that mean we're going to drive up through this week, continue to accelerate higher? It's very possible. So just be careful out there. Make sure you're watching your the open. And obviously, if you can join us, we have numbers on the short side and the long side for the stocks that we're looking at. So just definitely take advantage of that. Looking at the heat map here, you can see it's kind of mixed overall. You can see that there were some stronger areas in the marketplace, real estate, a couple of financials, energy, but just mixed bags. So we'll see if we can get to something more even this week here, and see if there's some profits we make off this. So let's take a look at this. So look in the scanner here. You see nothing came off of here, but we did have LGVN, which is a multi-day trade here. And you can see here that we finished off this week at a nice and strong here. So the 31st, you can see here, that's kind of when we started to gap up here, starting around $6. And then by Friday, we kind of hit this other top here around, close to $16. And so we kind of got two good high days out of this. So we'll see if this can hold. Stayed above the 20. So looking for a continuation play on Monday on this one. Earnings, we'll post new earnings report for this next week. Really, the earnings season really will kick in strong end of April. So we'll probably have a lot more to focus on trade then, because we really didn't do a lot of trading this week on those. So looking at Apple. So this is our core. These are the ones that we've been posting on our Discord. So you can see here, Apple had a little bit of a sell-off, and then the bulls came in. So you almost have like a pin bar here. Typically, a pin bar usually means a reversal in the market. I was thinking we're going to come down, tag this trend line, to bounce off of here. We didn't. We bounced early. So if this is a true pin bar, and we can get above, it's 175 tomorrow, I think we're going to start rallying back up here towards the highs. If we actually fell below the 10, we might be coming back to 171 or even lower. Netflix ended flat right on our double support line. So you can see here, nice tight, support here. So if it weakens, we could possibly break through here. So if we break below this 371 area, probably coming down lower into this area here. If we can break up, above, 374, then we'll rally hopefully towards that 50 moving average. BABA, you see here, we got this nice little pullback we've had here. But looking at what Friday, you see here that we ended up on low on the day and below our resistance line up here. So we got support down here. If we break this 108 area, maybe coming down towards 100, and hopefully find support there. If we can break above 112, hopefully we can ride back up towards 123. Nvidia pulled back as well, broke below the 5 and the 10 and our support line. So very weak, came down here, almost tagged the 20 and then came back up. So still weak, looking for a possible continuation play down to that 260 level. We can get back above 269, maybe able to rally back into at least this area. Tesla, nice consolidation in this tight area. So just kind of sitting here, trying to build energy. Could almost say this looks like a bull flag here. And so maybe, but if we can get over 1114, we got a nice rally up here. Back towards the 1200 area. If not, we might be range bound here for a little bit between This 1,114 and 10,054. And if that's the case, still you can be very profitable on Tesla if you can ride these ups and downs through this little channel. But we may be consolidating there for a while. Shopify, you can see that looks like a consolidation here in this little breakup candle here. So we got this candle here, and you see that that it failed, and we just been chopped in between here. So we either got to break above the 780 level or break below the 650 level to get moving here. Facebook kind of flat as well, above all the moving averages. Well, the 5, the 10, and the 20 down here. So if we can get a rally up here, really looking to break out above 227 to go towards 233. If we break below, this 223 area, maybe come down to 216. Google, boy, this one came down, had a pullback. It hit resistance off that 50, came down, tagged our support line, and just the next on Friday just skyrocketed all the way back up and tagged the 50. So that's very bullish momentum there after that pullback. So we'll see if we continuation play. If we can break this 2816, maybe it'll go to 2820 or 2833. If not, we could be range bound in here as well. So just something to be aware of. Oxy, you can see Oxy's is consolidating as well. Got to really break above, this 59 area to go higher, or below 55 for possible short. Delta Airlines, so this is looking at other sectors that may be taking off or ready to take off. And you can see here Delta Airlines had a pullback off that 50, found support again on the 100, bounced back up. So we got to really get, we might be range bound on this one until we break this $40 level or break below 39 to the downside. Carnival Cruise Line broke out of the 50 finally. We're up to, to 20. So, looking for a continuation play up to at least 2050 here. If we break back below the 50 moving average around 20, then, we may come back down to, maybe 1950 or 1968. You can see that's where we had a lot of support. So not a lot of movement on CCL. But definitely at least broke out. Same with banks. So financials, Bank of America, trying to rally up here. It's really got to break this 41 area. If it doesn't break the 41 area, then it may be coming back down. So just something to be aware of. If we come back down, we might break 40, 50. We may be coming back lower to 40, 35 or lower. Definitely continue to subscribe if you haven't, and also watch our channel. And hopefully this will bring you some ideas. And also make sure that you like our videos, and that way we can continue to bring this content to you. Looking at the U.S. bond market, you see here nice consolidation in this area. So really kind of range bound for right now. And the bond area, dollars above the moving averages, but range bound it looks like as well. So just kind of hitting that 98 area. The VIX kind of consolidating here right around this 20 level, as long as we stay below 20. And if it right now it is, so if we can stay down here, market can continue to rally. If we break back above the 20 or spike it, then we could have a pullback. So seeing that it's coming down here so far, if we can stay under 20 tomorrow, probably be an up day. SPY pin bar as well. So you see this pin bar here. So that typically means a reversal, which means we should be going up. But we'll see. If we break below 450, we're coming down to 20 probably. If we get back above, 48, 458, then we can start to rally back up towards highs. Triple Qs, smaller pin bar, but we did close above the moving averages. So look for, a breakout above 370 or a breakdown below 360 for a short. Semiconductors, a little bit more weaker, got back below the moving averages. So if we break 260, looking for continuation play down to 250. If we can get back above 275, look for a rally towards 289. Dow Jones, kind of, pin bar as well. So we can get back above this high here at 353, looking for 357 or 362. If we break below 344, probably come down here to 339. IWM, so kind of in this range area as well. Looking for a breakout above 211 or a breakdown for a short under 204. Financials, pin bar, You see this downward trend. So if we can get back above 164, looking for right up to 168 or 172, we break below 156, probably going to have a nice short here, possibly down to 151. Gold sitting here flat, looking for a breakout above this 1946 area, or break down from where we're at, possibly to go down to the 50 at 1905, or the 100 here to 1875. Silver, looking for it to hold support here on the 50. If it breaks below this 24.50, maybe come down to 24 or 23. If we can break back above these highs here at 25, looking for continuation play up to 27. Bitcoin consolidating here, almost looks like it's putting in a bear flag here. So we'll see if that has a play to the downside. If we break this 45,000 area, coming down probably to 43, we get above 47.5. Hopefully we're a continuation play up to 40 to 50,000 or 51. GMT, so crypto had a nice little rally up here from 61 cents up to $2.37. Actually the top was right here at $33.10. Pull back here above all the moving averages, looking for a continuation play back up to 313 or higher. Or if we break down from this $2.30 level, maybe coming down to 195 or 146. Waves kind of pull back here. We're getting support hopefully on the 10 here. We get below this $40, 45, 40, coming down here to 39 or maybe $35, 39, $40 area, maybe down to 36 or lower. If we can get back above 54, hopefully rally up towards at least 62 or higher. And then Luna's looking like it's put in a bull flag here, looking for a breakout above this 118 level, hopefully up to 132. We break below 106, probably coming down to 100 or 96. So that's our stocks and our cryptos. We're really hoping that you join us on the Discord and join us also in our training and become a member at some point if this makes sense for you and if you find you're being profitable. So definitely stay tuned for more information, and we'll be touching base on Monday, see how your trades went. And again, look for those numbers to be posted there first thing in the morning before the open. Everybody have a great night.